Here we are on the second Monday night session of the 36-week season. I was able to make progress towards some of my end-of-season goals last Wednesday, but I'm still behind on most of them. I hope to continue to push forward tonight and get closer to where I'd like to ultimately be. Coming into tonight, I'm 4 pins below a 200 average, 9% below a single pin spare average of 80%, and also 9% below a non-split spare average of 75%. I'm over my strike percentage goal of 50% though. This is one of the goals that I will likely be looking to increase after the first quarter of the season. I feel like I should have made every spare I left in the first game. Even though the second frame was a split, it wasn't that difficult. I just didn't get enough rotation on the ball to get it to where it needed to be. The chopped 10 pin in the sixth frame was unfortunate. I thought I was going to make that spare, up until I saw that the 10 pin was left standing. The 4 pin I missed in the 10th frame was just me missing my mark. Somehow the 5 pin in the first frame of game 2 slid across the deck without falling over. It's possible that it was falling and another pin knocked it back upright. I feel like that could have easily been a strike. There is part of me that is relieved that I didn't strike in the final rack of the 10th frame. Had I thrown 11 strikes after the magic 5-pin slid across the deck in the first frame, I probably would have felt that I got cheated out of a perfect game. 289 is outstanding after only bowling 180 in the first game, though. I feel like I got lucky a few times in Game 3. I carried in both the 6th and 9th frames after hitting the head pin in almost exactly the same spot, which was very high and just left of center. The last rack of the 10th frame is the best place to leave a split if you have to leave one, which is what happened at the end of Game 3. All in all, I think I had an excellent night. Although Game 1 could have been better, I believe this is the highest series I've ever bowled during League. It's definitely the highest series I've bowled so far this season. I'm ending the night on the positive side of my end of season average and strike percentage goals. I simply need to maintain them from now on. I still have some work to do to get my single pin and non-split spare percentages to where they need to be. For anyone that has made it this far into the video, I appreciate you watching.